Good afternoon, everybody, or good morning, depending on when you're watching the video. This video today is going to be on interpreting negative number addition and subtraction expressions. So this first question is asking which of the following statements are true about the expression -9 and +9. Now, before I even look at the answer choices, I'm actually going to, -9 plus 9. I'm actually going to number this number line. So we have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, okay, and everything in between. And then here, I'm going to put +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, +7, +8, +9, okay? So I just kind of put the numbers in here. Let me put them in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I'll put my little negative signs next to each of them. Sorry for my handwriting, folks. So, there's my number line. So, -9 plus 9 is 0, right? So, let's talk about this. The expression, which answer choices match? The expression describes the number that is 9 to the left of -9 on the number line. So if I start at -9, I go 9 to the left, I'm going to end up way out here. So that's not it. The expression describes the number that is 9 to the right of -9 on the number line. Well, if I start at -9, I go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I end up at 0. So that one is correct. The expression equals -18. That's not true. The expression equals 0. That's true. So those two are the statements that are true in this case. Let's look at the next question. Which of the following is a correct interpretation of the expression 3 plus -7? Okay, I'm actually going to number up to, I don't know, let's say 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. And down here is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. I like to put the numbers in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to put my negatives, negative, negative. That's an ugly 5. Negative, 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 negative. So I'm sorry for my handwriting, folks. So 3 plus -7, if you guys remember, is +3 and -7, which means I have 1, 2, 3 positives and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 negatives. If I make my 0 pairs, let's change the color of the pen. These two go away. These two make a 0 pair. These two make a 0 pair. So the answer is -4, right? So 3 plus -7 is -4. So let's look at the number, the choices here. There's only one right answer. Start at 7 on the number line and move 3 to the left. Well, if I start at 7 and I go 3 to the left, 1, 2, 3, I end up at +4, so that's not right. Start at 7 on the number line and move 3 to the right. Well, if I start at 7 on the number line and I move 3 to the right, I'm going to end up over here. So that's not right. Start at 3 on the number line and move 7 to the left. If I start at 3 on the number line and move 7 to the left, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's -4. That's the answer we want. So that's the correct answer. And I'm just going to try the last one just to make sure. Start at 3 on the number line, move 7 to the right. So if I start at 3 on the number line, move 7 to the right, that definitely is not going to bring me to -4. So that's the correct answer there, the third choice. Let's try one more. I think there's only one more. Which of the following statements are true about the expression 5 plus -5? Well, we know that it's, pardon me, we know that it's 0, because 5 plus -5 is 0. So let's try this without looking at the number line below. The expression describes the number that is 5 to the left of 5 on the number line. So if this is 5 on the number line, this is negative 5, let's say. 5 to the left of that is 0, so that is true. The expression describes the number that is 5 to the right of 5 on the number line. If I start at 5 and I go 5 to the right, I'm over here at positive 10, so that's not true. The expression equals 0. That's true. And the expression equals 10. Not true. So I believe that is... Oh, nope, there's one more. And this one's probably a little tricky. Which of the following is a correct interpretation of the expression negative 4 minus negative 7? Remember, we never want this double negative. So we would rewrite that as negative 4. Instead of minus negative 7, we would write it as plus 7. And if you remember from all the work we did before, I have 4 negatives, I have 7 positives, I end up at positive 3. So I'm just going to number up to 7 on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm just going to put 7 there. And this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7. All right. So let us see which of these statements is true. The number that is 4 to the left of negative 7 on the number line. So we want to get to here, positive 3, right? This is our goal. We want to get to there. 4 to the left of negative 7, well, if I start here and go to the left, I'm not going to end up at 3, right? Let me make that our goal in a different color so you can see it. There's our goal, right? So, no, the first one isn't right. The number that is 4 to the right of negative 7. Well, if I start at negative 7 and I go 4 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, I end up not at positive 3, so that's not right. The number that is 7 to the left of negative 4. Well, if I start at negative 4, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 negative, and I go to the left, well, that's going to bring me way out here, so that's not correct. And the number that is 7 to the right of negative 4. So let's start at 1, 2, 3, 4 negative, and I go 7 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the right brings me to 3. There's our correct answer. And I'm fairly certain that that was the last.